As the autonomous period begins, teams are implementing strategic tactics to secure valuable points. Their robots move with precision, following pre-programmed paths to complete tasks accurately and quickly. With smart sensor integration and careful planning, these teams aim to optimize their robots' performance and gain an early lead in this critical stage of the competition.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
The second match is going to be intense, especially for the Red Alliance, as under the 2 out of 3 matches rule, if they lose this match, the Blue Alliance will secure the final victory. What's nerve-wracking is that during the teleop period, right at the beginning, one of the robots from the trailing Red Alliance encountered an issue. What happened? It turned out that robot 23070 suddenly lost connection to the Wi-Fi. The Red Alliance is feeling the pressure because the game cannot be stopped once it starts, emphasizing the importance of thorough pre-match checks for the robots. On the other hand, the Blue Alliance is displaying consistent performance, while the other robot from the Red Alliance remains calm and ready for the challenge, hoping their teammate can quickly return to normal. Finally, Robot 23070 is back in action with only 1 minute remaining. They immediately adjust their strategy, and there is still hope for a turnaround. One of the Blue Alliance's robots seems to be stuck, but luckily their teammate comes to the rescue, resolving the situation promptly. As long as the Red Alliance maintains their advantage, victory is within reach. In the midst of unexpected situations, crisis management and emotional intelligence among team members are crucial during the competition.